Mike and Walter up here. Thank you. Somebody close to somebody, I want you to point at somebody who never stops talking and won't shut up. Wow.
Right here.
No, seriously, it has to be a loudmouth. Loudmouth? Why is everybody? What is her name?
Addy.
Maddie? Maddie. No, don't worry. Come on, Maddie, all your friends want you to Maddie! That's the best thing in the world. We're going to get Maddie over here on this side. Addy. I like Addy too. And you know what? And Walter, we got a bunch of loudmouths over here, don't we? What we're going to do is I'm going to pass the microphone around.
Oh.
Right? So if it comes to you, you make a sound effect for Walter. Do one, and then you pass it on to the next person. If you don't want to do it, pass it. Just keep, but if you want to do one, you just put your mouth to the mic and make a noise for him. So we'll do some experiment here. Who wants to start? All right, we'll start right there. Just find somebody, and if you're near somebody who has the microphone, put your hand up if you're willing to do the next one. So we're going to try that out, see if it works. So just to try this out, Addy, you're going to do all the sound effects from Mike, okay? So whatever Mike does, you make a noise. And you have to be nice and loud for Mike. All right, can you do this, Addy?
Here, we're going to do these ones. Ready?
All right.
Let me knock on this wood door here.
Don't.
No, only she does it for Mike. You guys will do it for
I was knocking.
Hey. Don't knock at the same time. All right, try it again, Addy.
Ready? Good. Whatever you want.
Okay.
We're going to, better knock on this door.
There you go. Cool. Exactly. All right, and then let's try out with Walter.
All right, quick draw. Let's do this.
So excellent. So once you do one, then you pass it on to somebody else to do it next. Okay? So, all right, you guys ready? Like I said, nice and loud, make him look funny, because he needs all the help he can get. Did you guys lie to me? Is she really shy and quiet? No? Step it up, Addy. Here we go. All right, these two are on an epic quest for something.
Play-Doh.
Chocolate.
Lollipop. Potatoes.
You guys are
Yarn.
perfect lollipop.
Perfect lollipop. Okay.
And action.
Listen to this thing. I think we need some oil.
Dad, I'm hungry.
Paul? You ate just yesterday. But here, I'll get you a lollipop. Really gotta get some oil for that. Oh no. This is orange.
But I'll eat orange.
No.
Fine,
I'm
I'll
gonna
just
throw
eat
this out the window.
Fine. We're just gonna eat this one-year-old bag of potato chips. Smells like demons. It tastes like a game of ping pong.
Look, Paul. Let me see if I can find something in the refrigerator for you.
Get some oil, Dad.
I'm sorry. Here, how about a soda?
Great.
You don't like grape?
I don't like anything that's going on right now. Please go to the grocery store.
I'm gonna pour it out. And crush the can. And Throw it out the window.
Why?
We just broke it like 3
Because
times.
there's a lesson in there, Paul.
Starve your son so you can win Dad of the Year?
I knew I should have taken you this weekend.
Oh.
Get in the car.
I don't wonder that was me.
I really need to get some oil. Don't forget, yes.
I have a ninja belt.
Listen to this kitten purr.
I think that's a real kitten. It's cold. Did you check the engine to see if there's animals living?
Why don't you check, Paul?
Talk about cat last.
Showed you, you mean door.
That doesn't need oil. There she is.
Sure enough, little mittens.
Do you want to do it?
Sorry, Mr. Wilkinson.
You don't talk to my son like that. Come on. I think it's running.
Okay, I need something to calm my nerves. I'm going to turn on the radio. The only thing that makes you cool. But I don't like watching you dance, so I'm going to change it now.
Yeah, put it on my favorite fancy station.
Okay, country it is.
Heart's broken.
Why did you get that radio with all the instrumentals?
Turn it off. This neighborhood is lousy with cats. Okay, we're here.
Sorry, Mrs. Wilkinson.
Listen, Mrs. Wilkinson. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Put that gun away. Are you okay, Paul?